let's go to Wales and get amongst it. Yaki da boyo! So I've made it to Ogwyn Valley Bunkhouse, Mr. Wings here. And let's just give you a quick tour. Toilet, shower room, can't quite see. There we go, lovely digs. Not used to coming to Wales and having the facilities inside. Normally you go across a field or whatever. This is us. Whoop-de-doo, there we go.
He used to make it with the ultras and coders, but he's trying to move away from the super padded shoes.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of people seem to be a big fan of the Terror Ultra. I've got like the older version of it, it's actually what I wear. Not the nappy stuff I wear. But yeah, I really like them.
There we go.
I have a pair of Salomon, not the Speed Cross. I'm pretty happy with those, but they're not so durable. I mean, they're great.
Yeah. That's what, I mean, I'm not using graphene soles there.
At about 15 poos.
God, I want to hear you vlog, mate. I want to hear your style.
My style?
Yeah.
I got no style.
Told you not filming me. As long as it's above the neck, it's fine.
This is Martin Wing.
Look, the camera head's £25, okay?
Martin Wing has done nothing but bang on about the torrents of fresh water blistering down the Snowdonia peaky vistas. Well, mountain vistas. As we're in the mountainous terrain, we're no longer in the peak. And so far we've dropped Matt and Bjorn Ironside off at Penny Pass to start the ascent up to Snowdon, and then Matt will proceed to layeth the smacketh down on the Welsh 3000s ×5, all being well, going to plan. He's going to descend with a kayak into madness.
That's where it's coming down, mate, over there.
It's coming down that river. It's coming down that river there. Hopefully the GoPro will pick it up with a wide angle lens. But yes, so we are.
Honestly, that is the reason to come down.
We are the water boys and the support team. Support team, eh, Mark? Support team.
Our support team. So see the waterfall on the right hand side?
Yeah.
That's that central ice fall direct we're on about.
Right, yeah.
It's like a super classic ice climb when it
freezes. Yeah. Well, it's probably close to that now even though we're in the summer.
So we don't actually come down there, we come down to the right hand side about, down that shoulder.
Yeah.
Proper thundering down there though, isn't it? I can't call it. Yeah, worse for you.
Let's clear that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, anyway, we'll catch up later on and see what's going on. Diggy Rapids. So we're just waiting for the boys to come down this path here. There'll be some water on the screen, but as you can hear, there's an insane amount of rain coming down. It's probably a bit windy, so I've got the mic.
But that was a quick one. You left Snowdonia at 8:20. It was. That's about an hour and 15 down the road. That's fucking rough with those conditions.
What do you need us to do now?
1 hour 34. That's rough, that is. Yeah. But we're pretty far. We walked off like to see Central High School. And it's fucking. I've never seen rivers that high. Is that froze? Is it? Yeah, you can go to the good rivers.
Yeah. You know the lake, the top lake? Yeah. The water runs into it, so you know all the muddy sort of island and everything. They're quite near, mate.
He's taken, ladies and gents.
So it should be online now, please.
Turn yourself.
With a windbreak and a waterproof.
Yeah, it should be online.
Not sweat.
No, it's fucking. It says no message. You should get this on camera. This is not responsive to that.
It's a wide angle lens.
Down there.
I have to edit it. I don't need that. I can zoom in, eh? What's shout out?
That's like a sludge in there now. It's like a slurry.
I just had a full-on look there, didn't it? Don't know why.
Baby powder slurry over a shriveled little worm.
Top tip there. Matt's top tip there. The baby power slurry.
Plenty of baby power. Are they nice, are they? You want to try
Oh,
that? Yeah, they're delicious. Try a delicious. Best thing you can eat.
Delicious try bar. Getting me through the Welsh 3000.
That's quite good. That's delicious. 6 grams per 250 calories.
That's
What do you want for that?
Following up, mate.
That is the worst sentiment I've been away with. I've just had it all when I've done bad.
Maybe it's that you're always bad after
After that.
don't need another cooking up like this, please.
I was like, yeah, they are.
vegan, vegan and gluten free. Just for all those people wanting to know about dry biscuits.
I know I don't want anything.
What time is it, Wing? None of them fucking work, do they? Are they only on? You can't even tell the time, which is the funny thing.
Yeah, Matt one says it's 25 past 3 though.
What particular make is that?
The Sunto says it's 25 past 3.
Yeah.
And the Apple says it's 9:57.
Is that where we're aiming for?
I don't know what's going on with that, to be honest.
This is why I don't see him every year, because he's belling. And that's being nice. Hey, they're not for you.
I'm testing. I don't want Matt to get ill on the trail.
May I test?
No.
Just give me a nobble. Give me a nobble of your right biscuits. Hey, they're not bad.
Get some logs on this for Matt, maybe. Try and hold on.
Team Matt. obviously I originate from the Midlands and can't pronounce anything other than simple English terms or barbarian terms, but we'll have to drop some water off for the boys, for Matt, who's slaying it. The weather's been horrendous, absolutely horrendous, to be fair.
Best bit of the day.
Best bit of the day in this late on. And see over there, you won't pick it out with the GoPro because of the wide angle. Puffin Island. Me and the bridge. So I've just lent Wingy the trekking poles, another convert. And we'll soldier on, cracking on. Alright! Oh, so I need new insoles with the shoes. These are the coast to coast shoes, and like within 5 steps I've like realised that the insoles are now knackered. Now my feet have healed up. I probably could have changed the insoles and finished the frigging walk, or not. Anyway, we follow this wall up to the top, do the drop off for the boyos, and then wait to see them again. Catch you in a mo. dodgy as fuck.
I just fucking cut my handlebar wide, mate. I think that's fair enough for that. I'm just getting some out and drop as well.
More than that, you gotta explain how bad that was. That was fucking bad. You can't stand up. Fuck. Yeah. Are you alright, yeah?
Yeah,
Shit. Gotta sort this bag out. Fucking, I let you cut my head open. It's fucking whipping me. Wait, if that fence went there,
we'll be down here.
where the fuck would we be? We got it on. We got the fucking her on video.
Did you get me when I was like pinned against the fence?
I've got you walking across or something.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you see me when I was like lay on the bottom of the fence?
Yeah, yeah.
Did not get up. It's not even like we're making it up, is it?
No.
I've never been in wind that powerful.
No.
Never.
When we aborted Trefan that time.
That's nothing.
Yeah. We've got to get back down there.
Not a signal here.
So we're just contacting the base camp because we're going up there. Can't go across there. It's too windy. And it's no fucking word of a lie. Mental. So if there's any bogies, see you in a moment. Woo! We're on drum. So we thought we were going to bail on the last corner. What was the corner?
Pile of stones.
Pile of stones.
That's all it was.
Just a pile of stones. But it's just the ridge line just on the shore. So it might be a lot windier on that edge, and we're sheltered a bit. The mountains behind us there. But we've still got to get across that ridge there, which looks a bit sketchy as sketchy AF, and looks to be some nice clouds. Come to the boys. Hey, literally just got here at the same time.
Cars down there.
Just going back to the car. Nice little, what, 8 mile? Smashed it down on the way back. Not in an hour. It's baby time. You know what I mean? Not talking vanilla lattes this time.